And now as we continue on our journey, we are now in the middle of a hailstorm. We're going to try to find a place to pull over because there's hail hitting the car. We've had people who are fainter hearts than us who decided to not go up this hill. Well, here we are in a hailstorm looking for shelter and also praying that nothing the size of a brick hits this car. But here we are. As you can see, in the road here, there's little bits of hail falling on the road. And we're hoping it doesn't hit too hard on the car. This is where we are now in our trip and adventure in the wine country of Mendoza. But you can see all the hail on the ground here as we're winding our way closer to the clouds, which means there's probably more rain and hail because we're going higher versus lower. But anyway, we're gonna try and see, and as you can see out here, there's lots of hail coming down. But our intrepid navigator continues in his path up. And if these hailstones get bigger, we're gonna have to figure something out. Now the road is narrower. Hailstones are still about the same size. They're still the size of pebbles, the rain, yeah, still about the size of, oh, it's coming straight down too. Coming straight down, these hail coming straight down. Can you imagine ice, frozen ice balls hitting the car as we drive up this insane mountain. Insane mountain. And we're under a very huge cloud, so it seems to be continuing for the time being. Hopefully we don't get caught in a snowstorm. This is on the side of your window. We can see the Andes in the distance.
With the snow, look at that.
And the snow. Oh yeah, and the snow on top of everything. That's right. I feel like I'm like a those people that are like tornado chasers.
Yeah.
That's what I feel like. We're tornado chasers. We're going up the hill as we go. This crazy ass road. Oh, there's blue. Yes. That means we'll be out of this thing soon. Yay! Oh my gosh, we're almost out of it. We're almost out of intrepid viewers. Hanging in with us as we continue on our.
Turn into rain.
That's gonna turn to rain again, and we're getting out of the. There's still smaller hailstones now. They're smaller.
Yeah.
They're getting smaller as we're heading toward the blue skies. It's mixing with the hail, but it's still hailing. But there's smaller hailstones now. Okay. And now there's blue. Something dead in the road. I'm averting my eyes. Now it's just coming down. Straight rain. Whoa. Some hail still. We're not underneath this cloud yet. We gotta get underneath this cloud. Once we're underneath this cloud, it's gonna be fine.
There's not a tree.
Sorry?
There are no trees.
No, there are no trees. You can't hide anywhere.
Beautiful land.
Once we're underneath this cloud, though, it's gonna probably all turn into rain because this cloud is what we're getting all this hail from. And it's still coming down. Smaller still, the hail. Smaller still, but it's still coming down as hail.
You're getting into some of the branch now.
No, following the road. No? No.
That's okay.
Still coming down the hill.
Yes, the road is okay.
stop it. Okay. Still hailing. Still underneath this massive cloud.
We're in a plateau.
We're in a what?
The plateau.
Plateau. See, wow, look at this over here. Now we're taking a look out of here, just a quick look. I'll let the window down for a minute. But you can see how we're underneath this huge storm right now. And I'm gonna let this up soon because I don't want any hail to hit me in the head. Yeah.
Close the window.
I am. Okay. Ay, 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 ay.
No, take it easy.
See.
This is big here.
Yeah, bigger. Yeah, it's big again. Yeah. Wow, wow. Wow. Oh my gosh. Oh. God. We gotta, if we can get underneath this. It's big, folks. It's big. It's big. It's big, folks. They're coming down the hailstorm. Wow. Wow. Shit. Oh my God. I want you to hear this, folks. I hope you're listening to this. Ay, caramba.
Wow, big here.
And we're still not underneath it yet. This is literally, you guys. Wow.
Gotta find a tree or something.
Yeah, we can't find it. There's nothing to hide under. Wow. Oh, yeah, 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 yeah.
Careful, don't scream.
Huh?
Don't scream too much.
Okay, sorry.
Yeah.
Woo!
Have you ever been in a hailstorm?
No.
Neither have I. Holy shit.
Fuck! What? What? What, Marco? What?
Did you see the size of that thing that hit us?
No. I didn't see it.
The hail is getting very big.
We can't go back. We gotta keep going forward.
Gotta keep going.
We can't go back. We just have to get underneath this. Wow.
One faster than others. Hail is small.
Damn. Still not getting it. Wow.
Wow, that
I saw one.
bit right.
Yeah, I saw that one. Yeah. Fuck. Maybe we could pull over?
Why?
Wow.
It's better to leave alone.
I don't know. Oh, Lord, a muffin. Oh my God. I mean, that's.
Did you see that one?
Yeah, yeah. How the hell? Like, oh, we can't even pull up to a ditch because, like, oh! I'm sorry, no more yelling, no more yelling. I promise, no more yelling. Yeah, they're going underneath that tree. Good. Because that tree will stay there. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. Don't do it. Don't do it. Don't do it.